Welcome back to Basic. Welcome back to another powerful, beautiful video in the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast of the motherland. Regarding extending our greetings to the four corners of the world, to our beautiful viewers in England, Finland, Netherlands, Holland, Norway, Germany, Sweden, Guinea-Bissau, Guinea-Conakry, Ghana, Congo, Cameroon. So today what we got for you is all about the OIC road project. Our people always love the OIC road project, which is going on in the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast of love. So before I go further, I would love to urge you all, in case when you are new to the platform, to simply like the video, subscribe, basically share the video to the four corners of the world. If you have been sharing our videos, simply the way, keep sharing, you will be joining hand to Nice Gambia to develop our nation. So as we always said, we don't send out wrong news, bad news, sad news around the globe. All what we show you is about the development and to change the narrative of the motherland. Big up to the princess of Nice Gambia. I'm the prince of Africa, Apadi and Cyber busy out there each and every day just to make bigger changes for the Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow. As we said, by December, this December coming, we are moving to Senegal, and then we will meet some African or some legends in Senegal to share their story with you guys, so that you can inspire more in Africa. So big up to the princess. I will be behind the camera and she will take us through the journey. Here is the third flyover, which is in the Gambia, one of the best roads in the Gambia. So right at the moment we will go further, and then we will show you what's available and what they are doing right now. Stay tuned, focus with Nice Gambia. I'll be behind the camera, and in the ending of the video you will see us, you will see me. Yeah. So here I go right now, lucky child. I will take you through the journey, show you what's available right now. The princess of Nice Gambia says love to be behind the camera today. And here I go. Just watch out the pillars, how strong, how proper they are at the moment. You can see. So I think here will be like the first, like when you are coming from the Gambia. Here is the first pillar, and then each and every pine it had four pillars, which shows you that it's a strong one. Each and every pillar is deeply like 35 meters deeply in the ground, and then they are well proper, strong. Hey, so right now you can see they are making the third flyover in the Gambia, which is between Bakau and then Kairaba Avenue. So here's the back way that leads you to Bakau, and that's the other way that leads you to Banjul. So here was a turntable before, so right now the turntable is not here. You guys know it more than me. So now we can call it traffic light with a complete boy with the flyover.
Ikan kumbo. Come closer. The camera. So you can tell us what's your name?
My name is Ibrahim Ajete.
Yeah. So for how long you have been working with the RSD and OIC road project? Yeah, but you can tell us a little bit about the job.
Yes.
Okay. Tell us a little bit about the job. So what are you guys doing today? Okay, you speak French?
French.
Yeah, tell us French. About the job.
The travail.
Yeah, the travail.
Oui.
Yeah. Can you tell us a little bit about the travail?
Le travail du pont.
The pont.
Le pont.
Yeah.
On a fait ça à Route. On a fait deuxième pont à compter.
C'est bon.
Puis c'est le troisième pont. Troisième pont.
Troisième
Pont.
pont.
Ok. Nous sommes là à travailler avec les Marocains. On peut s'appeler la Habib.
Habib.
Habib, c'est le patron.
From Morocco.
Yeah, from Morocco.
Yeah. So you speak French more than English, yeah?
Beaucoup.
Yeah. Merci beaucoup, huh?
Merci mon
So
ami.
nice job going on.
Merci mon grand frère.
Respect. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much.
Okay.
And, so you can see how they are building it.
Can we climb up? Mahmoud is here.
Yeah, Mahmoud is there. You know what is travail?
Travail. What is travail?
Travail, job, work. You know, they'll be working.
Now
Hey,
check that.
everyone, come. We are going with you. Alright, yes.
Very fine.
Farmer come.
So if I fall down, naglock.
We are good. We are climbing up. I see a nice Gambia. Everything is nice to be nice.
Look it. Here.
So as you know, Nice Gambia is the only platform that gets this opportunity to climb up over the flyover to show you. So here's a flyover.
Wow.
So get and follow us right. I will be with Mahmoud. Comment ça va?
Assalamu alaikum.
That's the camera facing you, right?
Hi.
Greet the whole world once again.
I'm good.
Yeah. So greet the world once again. Yeah, we're going to visit you guys. Yeah, I was talking with Malang in the morning.
Okay.
With Mbalo. He's the one that told me that that's a really work that's going on. So I decided to come up. So I was coming to your office and I see you. Yeah, so once again and again, greet yourself and then tell us what's available here today. So we see a heavy work going on.
Anyway, I'm Mahmoud Gay, civil engineer RSK. Right now we are fixing the deck so that we can start the reinforcements and other elements here. So at the moment we are fixing the bearing part, port bearing. You see they are placing it right now with the topography.
Okay.
What was that?
That's what we are doing right now, fixing the port bearing.
Fort bearing. So these are the pillars. Okay, this one holding the deck. Okay. So those are the same thing that I'm fixing here.
It's four of them.
Okay, 4 pillars.
Four bearing.
Okay. So from here you guys will transfer the
That's what we are doing.
yeah, my bad. Where you guys are doing. So after this and then you guys will put the concrete on top of it.
Reinforcement concrete.
Okay.
Put the dressing.
Ram. What is the ram? Where the cars will be flying off. Yeah.
That's what we are pushing right now so that we can complete.
The job is going fast and
Going very fast. Very fast. Very fast.
wow. I've never see, I never climb this when you guys are working exactly. When after laying the concrete with deck, this time I might be 15 minutes. Let me help you with the mic. Yeah, so right, you can see the proper good movement, good job that they're doing right now. These are the engineers, proper settings right at the third flyover. They make sure the flyover is strong because a lot of cars will pass through remote coach trucks, and even the first flyover and the third flyover, the first flyover and the second flyover, the cars are started crossing in it. So on top of it, so right now here I go, and here is the third one. So we can say this is the one of the best road in the Gambia, the smiling coast of Africa. So we are up there as well. You can see buildings down other side. You can see the buildings. A good job going on over here. Yeah, that's Mahmoud. Come on. Proper job over here. Wow. So it's about nice Gambia, best Gambia. As we always say, beautiful Gambia. Farmer, be careful here. So if we are walking, we can maybe walk here, pass through here. Wow. Welcome to the third flyover. So this is the way that leads you to Westfield. As well, you can see we are on top of the third flyover. Yeah, there's a petrol station over there. There's the Kairava Avenue highway. So we'll move and then we will go back to Mahmoud. Then he closed the video. You see the stuff that they are using to make the building proper.
So it have a mention.
It have a?
The mention until 1510, 5.
Yeah. Everything said good, innit? So we're going to meet the other guy. But here there's no crossing lane over here, man. So where is the? Yeah.
We can cross.
We cannot
Cross.
So can you greet your fans?
Yeah, hello wonderful viewers. Welcome back to another OIC video. And today we are here to give you the update, as we promised to give you the update every month about the third flyover going in Uganda. Still it's still on construction, but very soon we will enjoy it together.
We all get there together, yeah. Yes, sir.
Subscribe, like, comment.
There's a way that leads you to Bakau, Bakungkang, Bagwi to Bakau. You know? So it's about Gambia. Pardon? Pardon? Yeah, this is what that leads you to Senegambia. And the other one over there leads you to Sitting Corner that will lead you to the capital city of the Gambia. And if you want to go to the stadium, you can use the other way to the stadium of the Gambia. So it's all about the OIC road project. Right now we're trying to show you, to sober out so that our people can know how to see what's going on right in the Gambia. So remember that, tell them it's only nice Gambia that get this opportunity, this chance to show you the projects, the OIC and other projects which are coming up in the Gambia in future.
And
so
even for the sake of our subscribers, there's a reason why we claim here, and it's still under construction.
yes, there's no other platform will come up and to come up.
So always
Come.
subscribe to Nice Gambia.
Let's go, we interview them. Bonjour, comment ça va? You speak English or French? English bit. Can you tell us a little bit about the job that's going on today?
Arabic.
Arabic, speak Arabic.
Morocco.
Morocco, speak French.
French.
French, you speak Arabic.
Arabic.
You speak French.
You can speak Arabic.
Acha,
Tell us
about the job. Acha, Bonjour, comment ça va?
Ça va bien?
Ça va bien?
Bien, bien.
Vous avez, le travail c'est bon, hein?
Oui.
C'est bon.
C'est bon.
Yeah, we are going to meet that other guy there. Can we cross, yeah? Yeah. You can wait me here. Right now, we are going to meet the guy over there. He will tell us a little bit about the job that they are doing over here. The Moroccan. Yalla, 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 yalla. Yalla, yalla, yalla. Ayou,
Ça va?
ça va bien?
Alhamdulillah.
How are you?
Sur le travail?
Je travaille?
Yes.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Come you come this side. The sun is.
Ok.
You-
Ça va bien?
Yes, ça va bien. Come this side. Come this way.
Ok, ok. Sorry, hein?
Yeah.
No problem?
Come, come. So can you talk to the world right now?
Ça va bien.
Ça va bien. Yeah. Yeah. So the travail. Can you tell us a little bit?
Là-bas, c'est fini.
Mhm.
Costeron, don't you worry.
Yeah.
Trafic light, man.
Yeah.
Ici, trafic quoi?
Traffic quoi? So. Yeah, c'est bon, hein? Boy, abon faut que you understand. Yeah, translate good. But I definitely dia manika ngola. Isa fen lo for mo le one thing about the OIC. He's speaking French.
French.
Yeah.
Yeah. Morocco.
You can only speak French.
Ah, French.
You are from Morocco, huh?
No, il y a autre personne qui speak anglais.
Yeah, you speak a little bit.
Parce que moi, il speak France un peu. Small.
Small anglais.
Small anglais, small français.
Eh fam. Boy na te ma fon le anglais e manika ngole ko. Yeah, na do man rek. Wa fam na job la jatto. Okay, la boss ñol baby is very nice,
Kana wori way.
Travail. Merci beaucoup, hein?
Sorry.
No, rek. Yes, I. Yeah, so do ko ñinga bitaka ñame la fele do man dim fomoli right now. Nda fa tilo la kando de, ah. Yes. Do ko ba ka kanyang? Okay. I got jump in then in December I complete. Yeah man, the third flyover. This is the last flyover.
So after
Okay.
this flyover, where is that going?
Okay, sa te kono silo project wol fanam dijele. Ah. Okay. Wow. Okay, yes. Ito di madu. Lamin Baro. Salute to you full time, huh? Yeah, man. You're welcome, family. Remember, nice Gambia. Everything is going nice to be nice. So here go Mahmoud is there. We're going to go down. You can see the ground down there. Yeah. So, Farmer, can you explain a little bit about if you once climb on the first one and the second one, innit?
Yeah.
So can you explain a little bit that you understand from that one?
Like,
Okay.
You know this
Here is where you got to have the street lights in the middle,
yeah, in the middle.
and here you'll have two lanes, one lane this side, one lane this side, one lane this side, one lane this side. So like when the cars coming from Banjul, those are the cars will use this other lane here. The cars that will come from Gambia, those are the cars who will use
This lane.
this lane. So you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes. Hey, merci beaucoup, huh? Thank you very much, huh? For the good job that you guys are doing. Well done, ain't it?
Travail is good, huh?
Travail is good. Say it again, yeah.
Bagaimana? Bagaimana kalau jalan?
Sini ngay dox rek. So right now, nice Gambia, nice to be nice is going down. You're going down. It show you the downside too. Heavy, good project, good job going on here. Wow, good measurement. Moroccans. So this is something that we are doing today. You can see the marks that have already marked here and there. So no, maybe later they will try to fix up all the sources, right? Comment ça va? Alhamdulillah.
Papi mémoire.
Yeah.
Vous laissez la pareille partie là-bas.
No.
YouTube,
YouTube.
Instagram.
No YouTube. No TikTok. No Instagram.
Quoi? TikTok, il n'y a pas d'argent.
No TikTok. This is going to YouTube. Nice Gambia.
L'argent TikTok is small. L'argent YouTube.
Big. YouTube is big.
It's big, it's big.
Thank you. Yeah, we're going down
Inshallah.
right now. Princess, let's go. Well job, well done.
Ton téléphone t'a cassé. Tu as gagné beaucoup d'argent avec YouTube.
Pardon?
Ton téléphone s'est cassé. Pourquoi?
Telephone.
Oui, pourquoi?
Yeah, we use.
iPhone 14.
Oh, we use this Samsung phone for videos.
Non, moi j'ai dit iPhone.
If you want to iPhone.
The iPhone, yeah.
Video.
Yeah.
iPhone is good.
iPhone is good, eh?
Ça va?
Ça va bien?
Ça va bien?
You wanna tell us more about the job?
C'est bon.
C'est bon.
Les photos ici, ça va?
Eh? C'est pas le compliqué français?
No problem.
Comme, le compliqué
English.
English.
No.
Yeah. So let me show them the pillars. Yeah, so these are the scaffolders. You can see how proper they arrange them. So so farmer, you can follow me in. These are the scaffolders. If you take a good look, these are well proper arranged. They set them the way they should set them rightly, so that they can have the good settings the way they want it. So as you can take a good look up here, this is the deck they are trying to set out. So if you take a good look, you the viewer out there, you will know this is something real good, contracted, built by RSK. So I can simply say RSK are #1 in West Africa when it comes to road building or road projects in Africa. So here go, we can still move around. Let's come here. Let me show you. See how big it is. Huh? So no matter how the rumors goes or the trucks come from Senegal, they pass through here with their heavy load. This will not ever sink. You will never even feel it like you will even think that it's on the ground. Innit? So as well, take a good look. We say one love, one heart in our nation. Let's come together. We build this nation. You see? So it's all about nice Gambia, best Gambia, beautiful Gambia, better Gambia, greater Gambia, tomorrow Gambia, one family, one blood, one heart, one nation. As we say, as I always said in the beginning of Nice Gambia, since we started the videos, we always said, if you need something, you do something to get something. So better Gambia that we need. So we got to do something for a better Gambia, for a better future, for the young generation. So this is the project that's going on right now in Gambia, the third flyover in the Gambia, which leads you to Banjul, the capital city of the Gambia. So here go the princess of Nice Gambia behind the camera, Abaji there, busy editing the videos of Nice Gambia, Sebe Kabara there, forward always, Nana Bango represent red, white, blue, white, green. Go na banko fasa dengala ngambul chakala kan na banko do go right at the moment. So Fatima,
yeah,
iba mo do lawol ke baldet lawol do ndaji na kan na mol kontong, you know, Germany, London, Norway, Buckingham Palace, White House in America. We can't forget to pick up our people, my followers out there. Gambian also have more follow kan na kan na local language and kan na language yung tan ka dunda ko ka sapa ko ka dunda ko some Gambian people are realizing, they start knowing about Nice Gambia. Most of them are subscribing, most of them are following. So we say salute. Kan yo killing nanya killing sate killing na kambeng na ke killing di ko Bob Marley for yameng one blood one heart. Pick up to my number one YouTuber in Africa, Ude Maya, and big up to Randy Marcos that promote Nice Gambia to the level where we are today. So we can't forget to buy up each and every YouTuber or every presenter that presenting good news away from Africa to the four corners of the world. So stay tuned and focus. Nanya killing, Sade killing, Nakambe killing, Nake killing. Music and dance is all what we need. Peace and love is all what we need. Fighting, killing, my people are crying, love is lacking, moms are spending, mamas are crying, the sons and daughters, they are running in the world soon. That's why I say more love for Mama Africa. Anything you wish for yourself, wish it for your brother, take it to your neighbor. Lucky child could never die in a property than to take mankind soul. Oneness, one love, one big happy family. Big up to RSK, big up to our viewers, big up to everybody, big up to Malan Jammeh, big up to all the consultants, big up everybody who is working under this road project. Salute royal ma, new video ala talantalan dunia tonko nano saje. Thank you very much for watching.